The basic rules of inequalities. These rules tells us how to safely solve an inequality while keeping it true. Overview of rules. First, adding or subtracting the same number on both sides. Second, multiplying or dividing by a positive number. Third, multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Next, we'll go step by step into each rule with examples so you can see exactly how they work. First rule is simple. If we add or subtract the same number on both sides, the inequality sign stays the same. Why don't we flip the sign? Because adding or subtracting the same number doesn't change the order of the numbers. For example, if x is greater than 5 and we subtract 2 from both sides, that gives us x minus 2 greater than 3. Let's check with x equals to 6. 6 minus 2 greater than 5 minus 2. That gives us 4 greater than 3. This shows the inequality still holds. Key point. The inequality sign does not change when adding or subtracting the same number. Next, we'll see what happens when we multiply or divide by a positive number. The second rule, when you multiply or divide both sides by a positive number, the inequality sign stays the same. Let's take x less than 8 as an example and divide both sides by 2. That gives us x divided by 2 less than 4. Let's check with x equals to 7. 7 divided by 2 less than 8 divided by 2. That gives us 3.5 less than 4. This confirms the inequality is still valid. Key point. The inequality sign does not change when multiplying or dividing by a positive number. Next, we'll look at the special case, multiplying or dividing by a negative number which does flip the sign. The third rule is very important. When you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Take x greater than or equal to 9 as an example and divide both sides by negative 3. That gives us x divided by negative 3 is less than or equal to negative 3. Let's check with x equals to 12. 12 divided by negative 3 less than or equal to 9 divided by negative 3. That gives us negative 4 less than or equal to negative 3. This shows the inequality is correct only if the sign is flipped. Key point. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, always flip the inequality sign. Let's practice solving an inequality using the rules we have just learned. Solve negative 2x greater than 6. Always remember, the sign flips only when multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Let's go through the solution step by step. Step 1. Isolate x. To isolate x, we divide both sides by negative 2. Remember, dividing by a negative number flips the inequality sign. Step 2. Simplify. X less than 6 divided by negative 2 gives us x less than negative 3. Did everyone get the same answer? If yes, great! If not, remember the key rule. Flip the sign whenever multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Let's practice interpreting real-life situation into inequalities. This is important because mistakes often happen when translating words into math. Question. A student must study at least 5 hours. One student wrote it as h less than or equal to 5. Let's see why this is incorrect. Take a moment to identify the mistake and write the correct inequality. Think about what at least really means. The phrase at least 5 hours means the student studies 5 hours or more. So the correct inequality is h greater or equals to 5. The mistake was using less than or equal to, which would means studying 5 hours or less, which is the opposite of the requirement. Remember, at least means greater than or equal to. At most means less than or equal to. Let's look at another common mistake, handling negatives when solving inequalities. Question: the temperature drops 2 degrees every hour. A student wants to find how many hours each until the temperature is at most -6 degrees. They wrote -2h greater than or equal to -6. That gives h greater than or equals to 3. Let's see why this is wrong. Take a moment to identify the mistake and correct it. Think carefully about what happens when dividing by a negative number. The original solution divides both sides by -2, but didn't flip the sign after dividing. Hence, the answer should be h less than or equals to 3. Always remember to flip the sign when multiplying or dividing by a negative.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.